Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get the crying filter on the Snapchat. So if you want to get the crying filter on the Snapchat, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat and you have to click on this emoji button right here. So once you will click on it, all the filters will be appear. You can easily find this crying filter of the Snapchat right here, as you can see on my screen. But in case if you can't find it by scrolling here, simply you have to click on the explore from the right bottom, and on the top you will see a search option. So simply you have to click on this search and search for the crying. Once you will search for it, you will see different crying filter right here, so you can select any according to your choice. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.